Hey, it's OG Math Mosley, and on this next video here, we're going to be looking at the normal curve and the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, which can also be referred to as the empirical rule. All right, so let's go take a look at it. All right, so here's our notes for the normal curve and the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, otherwise also known as the empirical rule. All right, in a normal distribution with mean mu, standard deviation sigma, right? We have these three approximate percentages that occur. Right? Approximately 68% of the observations fall within one standard deviation of the mean. Approximately 95% of the observations fall within two standard deviations of the mean. And approximately 99.7% of the observations fall within three standard deviations of the mean. When we say within, that's to the right or the left of the mean. All right? So here we have this picture, right? And in our normal curve here, right, our x-axis or the horizontal axis here is labeled with the number of standard deviations above or below the mean. In this case, our mean is 0. You can think of this as the standard normal curve, right? And we see in this main part that includes the peak, we have 68% of our data within one standard deviation. Right? When we branch out farther and go within two standard deviations, that means -2 to the left, +2 to the right. Right? We have 95% approximately of our data. Right? And so we've expanded to include this pink shaded area. Right? So it's the entirety of the curve up until the pink ends, 95%. Then we go out even farther to include three standard deviations to the left and to the right of the mean. Right, so now we're including this green shaded area and everything that came before it. And that is approximately 99.7% of the observations. Right, so now we can make statements and say things about the proportion of our observations within standard deviations of the mean. It helps us to say more about our data and describe our distribution better. Right. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please let me know and watch the next video to see some more examples on how to use this.